Does Amazon have room to run? It's been running for a long time.
It's so funny. So I was in a separate text thread today, and someone was like, "Finally, we're seeing some follow through in Amazon." And the guy was like, "Fam, this is year 7 of Amazon. it's the market leader. Yeah, it's gonna. I think it'll continue to run. I don't know if tomorrow is the day to buy or whatnot. I think, but this is if the market wants to continue higher, it's gonna need Amazon to continue higher. Like these are the stocks that are just completely leading the market right now. The Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, Netflix, Facebook, Apple, Google, the same names we talk about, even the Tesla. For the market to keep going higher, we need those names to just keep going higher. So anything can fucking happen. I mean, look at the move we're seeing out of Tesla. So, it can definitely continue higher. Market leader. Seems like people are just continue to dump money into those stocks right now. So, why not? Until we see something change. We're in this.
I'm with you on that.